In 2020, the MultiCare clinic in Covington, Washington upgraded its HVAC controls and replaced its aging building automation system. In addition to the upgrade and replacement, ATS recommended MultiCare take the opportunity to make additional improvements that would significantly impact the clinic's energy efficiency. As a result, ATS replaced the aging controls hardware, developed and deployed modern high-efficiency sequences and programming. In addition to enhanced sequences, ATS energy engineers spent considerable time scheduling zones and equipment for the facility and determining zone airflow set points, ensuring energy was used only when needed. Efficiency measures performed included new controls hardware, implementation of ASHRAE Guideline 36, high-performance sequences, installation of a new outside air station, HVAC rebalancing, and dynamic ASHRAE 62.1 outside air reset programming. ATS proposed utilizing Puget Sound Energy's major HVAC controls incentive program to fund the additional project scope that was implemented. Using the incentive program added additional reporting, functional testing, training, and measurement and verification tasks to the project, but it also provided the potential for additional incentive funds to enact energy efficiency measures that would otherwise not have been made at the clinic. ATS managed the incentive program for the entirety of the project duration and performed the required measurement and verification tasks to ensure MultiCare received the maximum incentive possible. As a result of the energy efficiency work that was performed, MultiCare received both a base incentive and an additional performance incentive that effectively paid for half of the upgrade project without factoring in ongoing utility savings that will be realized in the future. During the reporting period, the clinic reduced its electric use by 26% and its natural gas by 54% from baseline measurements. Additionally, the facility's EUI was lowered from 110 to 78, which will help the facility comply with Washington State's Clean Building Standard.